Editing in Final Cut Pro can feel like juggling a bunch of different tasks at once. With so many panels, it's easy to accidentally double-click on the wrong area and change something. I can't count how many times I've received questions about fixing the Final Cut Pro inspector. The answer is this shortcut. Control-Command-4. This shortcut toggles the inspector height, giving you more space to work in the inspector or timeline. Think of your editing workspace like a kitchen. You're trying to cook a meal, but there's a mountain of ingredients and utensils scattered everywhere. It's hard to find the space you need to actually get cooking. This shortcut allows you to prioritize the inspector or timeline in your editing kitchen by giving it more space. We are always cooking at anawesomeguide.com. What are you serving up next? Let me know down in the comments.